class 12. Now today we will continue exercise 7.4, integrals of some particular functions. So we are in question number 17. Now before going to solve question number 17, first we have to remember this formula. Numerator, first we have to calculate the numerator. Numerator equals to A differentiation of denominator plus B. We have to learn this formula before going to solve this type of questions. Okay, now the exercise. (7.4). So till question number 16 we already have done. Now question number 17. So question number 17 is x plus 2 by root over x square minus 1. Now in solution, first we will find in different numerator. First we will find numerator. So numerator, since numerator equals to A differentiation of denominator plus B. So numerator is x plus 2 equals to A differentiation of denominator is, in denominator we have to take only x square minus 1 plus B. So this is equation number 1. Now x plus 2, first we will calculate what is the value of x plus 2. So A is A. Now differentiation of x square is 2x plus B. Now this is x plus 2 equals to 2ax plus B. Now comparing coefficient of LHS and RHS. Comparing coefficient of LHS and RHS. So in right hand side the coefficient of x is 2a and left hand side the coefficient of x is 1. So we'll write here 2a equals to 1. So a equals to 1 by 2 and b equals to 2, because b is in right hand side there is b and left hand side the plus 2. So b equals to 2. Now put this value in equation 1. Therefore x plus 2 will be 1 by 2. Not this equation, we have to put here. Now this is equation 1. Here a is 1 by 2 into 2x plus b is 2. Then x plus 2 is this. Therefore integration of x plus 2 divided by root under x square minus 1 dx equals to, now x plus 2 is, value of x plus 2 is 1 by 2 2x plus 2. So it is 1 by 2 2x plus 2 divided by root under x square minus 1 dx. So this equals to, now separate it, half integration of 2x by root under x square minus 1 dx plus integration of 2 by root under x square minus 1 dx. Okay. this equals to 1 by 2, it is I1 plus I2. Now first take I1. Now I1 is integration of 2x by root under x square minus 1 dx. Now if you take substituent as this x square minus 1, then the differentiation of x square minus 1 is 2x. So let x square minus 1 equals to t. Now what is the differentiation of x square? It is 2x. Now again we have to differentiate x also, dx by dt. This equals to, now differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. 2x dx equals to dt. Therefore I1 equals to integration of 2x dx is dt by root under t. So I1 equals to integration of t to the power minus half dt. Now what is the formula of x to the power n? Integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So I1 equals to t to the power minus 1 minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c1. I1 equals to, it is t to the power half by half plus c. Now reciprocate this half, we will get 2 root under t plus c1, it is c1. After that put the value of t. So value of t is x square minus 1. So I1 equals to 2 root under x square minus 1 plus c1. And now take I2. And I2 equals to, this is integration, we can take 2 outside, 1 by root under x square minus 1 dx. So I2 equals to 2 integration of 1 by, now make it into x square minus a square, x square minus 1 square dx. So I2 equals to 2. What is the formula of 1 by root under x square minus a square? It is log x plus root under x square minus 1 square is 1 plus c2. We will get I2. Therefore integration of x plus 2 divided by root under x square minus 1 dx equals to, now it is half. Now differentiation of integration of this is this integration of 2x by root under x square minus 1 dx is 2 root under, so it is 2 root under x square minus 1 plus c1 plus, now integration of 2 by root under x square minus 1 dx is this, so 2 log x plus root under x square minus 1 plus c2. This equals to, we can call this 2 is equals to x square minus 1 plus 2 log x plus root under x square minus 1 plus c, because since c1 plus c2 equals to c only. Now this is the solution of question number 17. Now move to question number 18. Question number 18 is 5x minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So first we will find numerator. So 5x minus 2 equals to a differentiation of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus b. So 5x minus 2 equals to a. Now differentiation of 1 is 0, 2x is 2 plus 6x plus b. Now this is equation number 1. Now multiply this. 5x minus 2 equals to a into 2 is 2a plus 6ax plus b. Now 5x minus 2 equals to, this is 6ax, first we will write 6ax plus 2a plus b. Now comparing coefficient of LHS and RHS. Comparing coefficient of LHS and RHS. So in right hand side the coefficient of x is 6a, in left hand side it is 5. So 6a equals to 5. A equals to 5 by 6. And 2a plus b equals to minus 2, because in left hand side there is minus 2. So 2a, 2 into a is 5 by 6 plus b equals to minus 2. 2 1 2 2 3 6. So b equals to minus 2 minus 5 by 3. Now take LCM, it is 3. 3 to 6 minus 6 minus 5. So b equals to minus 11 by 3. B is minus 11 by 3. So b equals to minus 11 by 3. Therefore, integration of 5x minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx is equals to integration of, now what is the value of, okay, first we will find the value of 5x minus 2. Now put this value of a and b in equation 1. So therefore 5x minus 2. 5x minus 2 is, value of a is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. 2 plus 6x plus b is minus 11 by 3. 5x minus 2 equals to 5 by 6. 2 plus 6x minus 11 by 3. If you simplify this, you will get 5x minus 2. Then we can write, therefore integration of 5x minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx equals to integration of, now it is 5 by 6, value of 5x minus 2 is, so 2 plus 6x minus 11 by 3 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Now separate it. So this equals to 5 by 6 integration of 2 plus 6x divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx minus 11 by 3 integration of 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. So this equals to 5 by 6 integration of 2 plus 6x divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx minus 11 by 3 integration of, now arranged in the order 1 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, in this case if you differentiate this denominator you get numerator. If you differentiate this denominator you will get numerator. So we can directly write, so this is t, so 1 by t. Now integration of 1 by t is log t. So what is the value of t? It is, now it is 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3. Now here it is completing the square. Now first we will take common 3 from the denominator. 1 by x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3 dx. We will take common 3. So this equals to 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9. Now completing the square. First we will find b. This equals to a square. Make it into a plus b whole square. A square plus 2 into a into b is 1 by 3. Because if we multiply 2 into 1 by 3 we will get 2 by 3 plus b square, it is 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 by 3 dx. After that this equals to 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9 integration of 1 by a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square x plus 1 by 3 whole square. Now what is the square of 1 by 3? It is minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 dx. So this equals to 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9 integration of 1 by x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus, now take LCM, it is 9, 1 plus 3 dx. This equals to 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9 integration of 1 by x plus 1 by 3 whole square, it is plus 2 by 9 dx. Why 2 by 9? Because there is a positive sign before bigger number, there is a positive sign, that's why 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 2. So this equals to 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9 integration of 1 by x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus root under 2 by 3 whole square dx. Now we will be able to put the formula of integration of x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square is, now it is 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9 into 1 by a, 1 by root under 2 by 3 tan inverse x by a, x plus 1 by 3 by a is root under 2 by 3 plus c. This equals to 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9 into 2 by root 3, 3 by root 2, 3 by root 2 tan inverse. Now if you take LCM, these 3 and these 3 cancel, so in numerator there is 3x plus 1, in denominator there is root 2 plus c. Now 3 1 3, 3 3 9, this equals to 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3 root under 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 18. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.